Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So guys, let us see how we can find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. The question is asking us here to find 5 rational numbers. To find 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2. So guys, let us see how we can find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. This question is very simple and very straightforward, but let us follow certain steps. I will tell here certain steps so that it will be very easy to find rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now guys, let us first of all, the first step is the first step 1. The step 1 is, for this type of question, the step 1 is, let us write the given number. Let us write the given rational number. Let us write the given numbers. Write the given numbers. Given numbers in the form of rational number. In the form of rational number. In the form of rational number. So guys, what is the form of a rational number? We very well know that a rational number is of the form p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So that is what we are going to write the given numbers in the form of p upon q and q is not equal to 0. This is what our rational number says, the meaning of rational number says. So we can write 1. We can write 1 as 1 upon 1 and 2 as 2 upon 1. Hope guys you understood this. If we write 1 upon 1, which is 1, 2 upon 1, which is 2, it doesn't make any wrong here. So this is how we can express the given numbers or the given integers in the form of a rational numbers. Anything like if 0 is given, we can write 0 upon 1. So now this was our first step. The second step, in the second step, what we are going to do, step number 2, in the second step, we require, the question has asked us to find 5 rational numbers. So what we can do, we need to, the question asked us to find the, or I can say, let us multiply 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. As the question asked us for 5 rational numbers, we are adding just 1 and we will be multiplying this 6 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. If the question would have asked us for 7 rational numbers, then we would have added 1, that is 8. 7 plus 1 will become 8, and then we would have multiplied 8 in the numerator as well as to the denominator. So this is what I am going to do now. Let us multiply 6 to the numerator as well as to the denominator as well as to the denominator of the above rational numbers. Denominator of the above rational numbers. Now, as I told you, we are going to multiply 6. So that means 1 upon 1 into 6 upon 6, and the other number will be 2 upon 1 into 6 upon 6. This is what I am telling here now. So this is what we are referring here, or this is what we are doing now. What we did, we multiplied 6 upon 6. How we got 6? We got, as the question asked us to find 5 rational numbers, so we just added 1 to 5, that is 6, and we multiplied 6 to the numerator as well as 6 to the denominator. Why we are doing? If we do the same thing to the if we need to multiply the same thing to the numerator, we need to also do the same thing to the denominator, so that the overall effect, that is 6 upon 6 is 1. 1 multiplied to anything remains the same number. So for that reason, we are multiplying as well as dividing the same number to the numerator as well as to the denominators. So for that reason, we are multiplying, not dividing. We are multiplying the same number to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Now what we are getting here now? We are getting 6 upon 6. Oh, what we are getting? We are getting 6 upon 6. That means, and 12 upon 6. So 6 upon 6 here we got, and here we got 12 upon 6. So these are the two things we got. Now let us see. Now let us see how many rational numbers. Now let us see how many rational numbers we have. Now let us see how many rational numbers we have in between 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6. So 6, after 6 we have 7 upon 6. Then we have, after 6 we have 7 upon 6, and then we have 8 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6, and then finally we have 11 upon 6. And these all lie in between 12 upon 6 or 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6. So after 6 upon 6 we have 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and 11 upon 6. And if you count, we are getting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you could see that how easily we got 5 rational numbers. Now let us represent these rational numbers on a number line so that it would be very clear for all of us what we did. Now I am going to post here a number line that I have already prepared a number line, and these numbers on a number line. So now let us see how these numbers how we can see these numbers on a number line. So if you look here, if you observe here, what we got the rational numbers like 7 upon, we got 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and 11 upon 6. And the question gave us, 6 upon 6, that is 1. So question gave us 6 upon 6 and 12 upon 6. So 6 upon 6 is nothing but 1 and 12 upon 6 is nothing but 2. So these are the two things the question gave us. Now if you look here to the number line, our 1 lies here. And how we got 1? We got 1 is 6 upon 6. This is how we got 1, and 2 we got 12 upon 6. This is how our these numbers, rational numbers look here on the number line. So if you look here on the number line, you could see that I have started with 2, then we got 1, then we got 1, and then we have 0 also. I have shown 0 also here. So how we got 0? 0 is nothing but 0 upon 6. Now here our main intention is to show 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and 11 upon 6. Now you could see here on the number line, after 6 upon 6 and in between 1 and 2, you could see that we got 5 rational numbers. These are these numbers: 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6 and 11 upon 6. Guys, this is our answer. But what we can do sometimes, or at times we can also do, instead of writing this answer directly, we can also further solve this one too. Like 7 upon 6, we can write 7 upon 6. 8 upon 6, we can write 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Then 9 upon 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then 10 upon 6, I can write 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. And then finally 11 upon 6. So actually these are the rational numbers that we got: 7 upon 6, 4 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3 and 11 upon 6. Now let us write our concluding notes saying that the 5 rational numbers, the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are, so what are these numbers? We can just note down these numbers here. Between 1 and 2 are 7 upon 6, 4 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3 and 11 upon 6. Hope guys you understood this, how easily and how I found out these rational numbers. I took some time in order to explain you, but you people can do this type of questions within 5 to 10, maximum within 5 minutes or 6 minutes, not 10 minutes. So you could see that these are very simple and very straightforward and very easy. Just follow certain steps and you people can do this. Hope guys you understood this, but still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.